What's good? I'm Dave, and this is your Ottawa Real Estate Market update for July 2021. Let's review some quick stats. Last month, we sold a total of 2,131 homes on the multiple listing service. That's up 5% compared to last year and pretty much on par with other pre-pandemic years. So volume-wise, about normal. We're kind of normal for this time of year. Price-wise, the average resale price of a residential unit will cost you just under $736,000. That's up 26%. And a condo on average will cost you just over $435,000. That's up 21%. But let's talk about inventory for a few minutes, because that's where the real story is here. For the past year or more, the Ottawa real estate market has been characterized by a lack of inventory, an inventory deficit, a shortage of inventory. Okay, what does all that mean? It means for month after month after month, for over a year, we've seen more homes being sold than being added to the market. So we would get new homes added every month, but more than that would sell, eating up that inventory, and so the shelves were kind of becoming more and more bare. The inventory level was becoming more and more scarce. We'd have fewer homes for sale at the end of the month than we had at the beginning of the month. And you repeat that for month after month after month, and you can see how that supply just dwindles and dwindles and dwindles, so much to the point where I think at the lowest point we're around 3 weeks worth of inventory. And in that kind of environment, it's no surprise that there's crazy competition. Inventory is way low, supply is low, but demand was still high. So we had crazy competitive offers, lots of multiple offers. Buyers, in order to win, you had to give it your all, and you'd have to give big price, and you'd have to remove any and all conditions if you ever wanted a chance of securing one of those few precious homes on the market. And so this escalated until about February or May, when we started to see a small shift in the market, where for once we had more homes at the end of the month than at the beginning of the month. There was actually a few left over. Not all of them got gobbled up. And so for a couple weeks and now for a couple months, we've now starting to see that inventory start to get bigger. And now we're around 1 month. So not much more, just like an extra week's worth of inventory, but it signals a shift in the market where we're heading in a new direction. And where we had crazy multiple offers, we're starting to see that a little less. We're seeing fewer buyers show up on offer day, sometimes not at all. We're seeing sometimes you can even sneak in some conditions, whereas before, conditions you almost had no chance. So it's a little bit less competitive, and everyone's kind of breathing this sigh of relief. Hi, it's over. This crazy seller's market is over. And I'm here to tell you, it may be true that we've turned the corner, but we're far from a balanced market. And let me explain. A balanced market should be one where we have 3 to 4 months worth of inventory. And we're, again, only around 1 month of inventory. So to get us back to 3 to 4 months, what needs to happen? We need to have consistent month over month excess of inventory, leftover homes every month. So if you run the numbers, we need about 20% excess every month for 12 months to restore it back to a balanced market. So although it's true, we've shifted the corner, and this is great news for everybody in my opinion, we're not out of the woods yet. And we have a little ways to go before we can really call it a balanced market. So where does this leave you? If you're a buyer, and if you've been shopping for any time in the last year, maybe you felt discouraged because it was very difficult. I'm here to tell you things are improving, and it's about time you reach out to our team, because now might be the time to jump back into shopping, and we can help you secure the right home without going crazy over price and everything. If you're a seller, the strategies that were working 3-6 months ago are not the same strategies that work today. So with this shift in the market, the marketing strategy has had to change as well. So we invite you to contact us. You can still get absolute top dollar for your listing. It's just a matter of what's the best strategy to employ for your home. So give us a call. We'd love to have that consultation with you. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Share the video with a friend. Give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I'm Dave Robertson, your real estate professional for life.